Today, I got a pretty special video planned. If you guys have watched some of my other videos, you guys have seen my brother and his Civic Si before. He actually just purchased some brand new wheels for it. I drove 8 hours with him yesterday to go pick them up. I'd say they were completely worth it though. They look absolutely amazing in person. What we're gonna do is we're probably actually gonna go to a car show right now. So what I'll do is I'll get the car washed and then we'll head out. Once we come back, we'll probably test fit the rest of the wheels. I already test fitted one just to make sure that it would clear the strut. Other than that though, we'll get all the stuff I need to wash the car out and then we'll get started. Before I can get the car washed, I gotta make sure I can back it up first, so I gotta start it up. I'm sorry neighbors in advance, you're gonna hate me. Hey, you already do hate me. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm really into drifting.
hopefully within these next couple years, like 1 or 2 years, I kind of want to buy a project car, something along the lines of like a C6 or maybe a 370Z, as long as it has an HR in it. It needs to be rear-wheel drive, of course, manual like this. This is beautiful. I think this, in my opinion, is like perfect candidate for drifting. It's a little too clean in my opinion. I wouldn't want to swing this thing, but something along the lines like a C6 or like a 370Z, in my opinion, would be perfect. I just love the way these things look. Alright you guys, so we just made it back home from the car meet. We're gonna go test fit Jordan's new wheels now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jack up the car and we're gonna get these old stock wheels off, throw on the new wheels, make sure that they clear the brakes, make sure they clear the struts, stuff like that, and they don't rub. And then kind of just take the car out just for a little drive, maybe around the neighborhood, just to make sure everything's good. We don't have any running into any issues. And then I'll have Jordan talk to you guys about what the wheels are, maybe what his plans are with the car going forward. And we'll just give you guys a look. Alright you guys, so we currently got the front wheels put on the car. We got the car jacked up at the moment, right now in the rear, so we can take off the wheels. All we have left to do is just take off the lug nuts for this, throw on the new wheel, and then we'll lower the car back down and do the one on the left side.